So we're going to make a key for a 2015 Corolla, and to start with, I'm basically just going to go to my chart here, which is a nice PDF file from Ilco, and it's a 2015, so that falls between 14 and 19. We're going to go over to which key I need. Toy 44H, PT just means plastic head with a transponder chip, and these are the programmers that will work to program it. The service key is just a TR47, and that's the encryption system that it has for the car. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the key because I'm not going to go over that whole process, figuring out how to cut it and all that. That's in a different video I have. And then I'll get back to you after I cut it, and I'll show you how the programming works. So now that I've made the key, you can see that it's a brand new key. It turns the ignition. All that stuff comes on, but it's not going to start it because the security light's on. So all this will do is just crank the engine over, but nothing will actually fire. So from this point, we need to go to vehicle selection, down to Toyota, and it's a 15 Corolla, and it's a blade key. So we will go to 14 through 19 blade, program immobilizer. I put a jump pack on it because the battery was a little low. Let's see if I can get a better angle for this scanner here. Maybe that'll be better. Yeah, probably. Perhaps. Okay, so we'll connect to that, switch the ignition on. See if it'll let me learn a master key. Okay. Remove key, turn ignition on with a new master key. We'll try it. And then this will cycle through for about a minute. It's actually doing something. If you notice, the security light is solid, which means we've entered the system, and it's allowing me to communicate with it and work with it and kind of do what I want. So this will run for roughly a minute. Sorry, the focus is really crappy, but I will get back to you when it either completes itself or fails. Either way, we'll do something. If this doesn't work, we'll have to come down here and actually reset the immobilizer, which is basically just resetting the entire security system to fresh with no keys or anything. And we'll go that route. With Toyotas, it takes about 16 minutes on a lot of resets, which is, you know, crappy, but whatever, what can you do? Okay, well, we got 10 seconds left. We'll see what happens. Procedure complete. Okay, so now we can see that the security light is actually off, and what we will do, just to confirm everything, is disconnect the scanner from the vehicle, and I will even unplug it from here so we're not connected physically. And we'll take the key back out, we'll put it back in, and the vehicle is now programmed and running. So that is how one way of making a key for a Corolla. Like I said, I'm not going to actually give out the bidding information or the key codes or anything for customer vehicles. I have a generic video of how to actually figure out how to cut the key, but that's programming for a Toyota.